life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is well.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning and organizing my refrigerator. It's definitely a project that I've been putting off for a while now, so I'm super excited to give it the transformation it so desperately needs. A huge thank you to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how easy it is to use the Cricut Joy to really organize any space in your home. But before we can get to organizing everything, I really need to remove everything from the refrigerator. I am going to be tackling the door a little bit later on in the video, but I need to take everything out so I can see what I have, start throwing anything that has gone bad away, and then I'm also going to be wiping the entire refrigerator down using my Dawn Platinum dish spray.
They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa.
Thankfully, there really weren't too many spills or anything like that. A couple scuff marks here and there. And then I'm also trying to remove this one shelf because I wanted to put it a little bit higher and really create a kids like shelf for Riley so she can come in here and grab anything that she needs.
Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Okay guys, so I went to the container store and I picked up some containers to organize my fridge with. I really didn't pick up too many because one, our fridge is really small, and also it's just Riley and I didn't want to like overdo it. Plus I do have a couple of bins that I had already that I can repurpose as well. So I'm going to show you guys what I got, and I will have everything linked down below for you guys. But I got 2 of these divided fridge drawers, which are perfect for organizing all of Riley's snacks. That's what I'm planning on using them for. Then I got this divider freezer bin as well. I plan on kind of making a shelf just for Riley where she can go in, grab her things, and eat them really quick. I also got a small berry bin and a large berry bin as well. I plan on using them for produce and fruits. I have 2 of these bins already in the fridge. One of them I have all of Riley's diced apples and peaches, and then I have another one that has all of her yogurt drinks as well, so I will repurpose these. I have an egg organizer bin that I picked up from Home Goods, and then I also have this like bin as well that I also got from Home Goods. So I'm going to quickly wash these off screen, and then we're going to organize the fridge. All right guys, so this is everything that Cricut sent over to me, and a huge thank you to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. I've worked with them in the past. They're an amazing company. If you're a crafty girl like myself, then you guys are absolutely going to love them. So they sent me over the Cricut Joy, and I personally like this because it's very compact, it's small, it doesn't take up a lot of space, but it still allows you to create the things around your house, labeling, all of that good stuff. And then they also sent me over one thing of transfer paper and then the black and white smart label vinyls. You can get so many different colors, glitter, golds, you know, you name it. And I feel like every store has them now, so definitely make sure to go check that out. They also provided a starter toolkit. This is really going to help when it comes to organizing all of the bins that I have. They have pen stylos as well. And then this is something that is new. It is the Smart Paper Sticker Cardstock. And on the back, I thought this was so cute. I feel like this is something that I will definitely use for Riley. Her birthday is in June, and Homegirl has been asking for a birthday party nonstop. So I might be able to create something cute as a party favor for her birthday, which will be fun. And then I'm even really excited about the Easy Press Mini. This is going to be great for anytime you want to iron on anything, you want to make t-shirts, bags, you name it, you could definitely use that. And then they also sent over some smart iron-ons in black and white. And then it also came with the mat as well. So this is everything that is included in the home labeling starter kit. So I'll have everything linked down below for you guys, links to everything. This is like literally all you need to get started. So like I mentioned, I will have everything linked down below for you guys. Make sure to go check them out. And also a huge thank you to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. It is so easy to create your labels using the Cricut Joy, and you can do this on your phone or the computer. I just find that it's so much easier to do it on the phone. So all you want to do is open up the app. You want to click create a new project, and they have so many different fonts to choose from. I know I was personally looking for a scripted font, so I did a search of that, and then I started creating all the labels that I needed for the bins. You can resize them, make them bigger, smaller, depending on what project you guys are organizing. And once you have all of that straight, you want to click make, and then you're going to choose which vinyl you plan on using, and then insert it into your Cricut Joy, and boom, it does all the work for you. once the Cricut is finished cutting out your labels, all you have to do is remove the vinyl, and I always like to cut around every single word. I just find that it works so much easier to do that, and this way if you happen to mess up on one, you can always go back. It does save your previous project and other projects as well, so if you ever need to go back, you definitely can do so. Originally I did choose to go with the black vinyl, and then when I put it on the containers, it just did not pop the way I wanted it to, so I ended up going back in the white vinyl, which I will show you guys in just a second. Working with the white vinyl was definitely harder to film to show you guys what to do, but you want to remove all of the excess vinyl, and then you are going to take your transfer paper and put that on top. I use this little like piece to really go over it, making sure that the transfer paper is going to pick up all of the letters. And as you guys can see, it was even hard for me to see anything that I was missing, so I just quickly removed that, and then I'm going to transfer that onto my containers. Now that we have all of the labels created and put onto the containers, it's now time to organize all of the food. So any of the produce and fruit and all of that stuff I had already washed so that I can put it into the containers and not have to worry about it later. And really, I'm just playing around with the different foods that we have to see what is going to work best for us. Moving on over to the fridge door, I'm basically going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to remove everything from it, wipe it down, and then just start organizing. The good thing is, because we have these shelves, I don't have to worry about using any of the bins or anything like that, but I did want to wipe it down and organize all of our drinks and all of that kind of stuff. Okay, so here is the finished look. I absolutely love how it turned out. So down here at the bottom, I made basically a snack, I guess, shelf for Riley, so she can come in, grab her things easily, and I don't have to, you know, really help or assist her. Also, she likes doing it herself. She's very independent. And down at the bottom, I have another drawer for produce, and then in this drawer over here, I put leftovers. So anytime we have any type of leftovers, we can put that down here. And then in this middle shelf, I do have the eggs right there. And then it's just any type of random stuff. I bought some chicken today, so I put that there until I cook it. And then up at the top is going to be my waters, milk, and all of my fruits and veggies. I'm hoping to have them at the top, so I will grab for them. And I've already washed them too, so they're easy just to grab. And that's what works for me, especially when I'm trying to, you know, eat a little bit healthier and all of that stuff. Now on this drawer is basically all of our juices. So I have Riley's juices right there. I do have some Prosecco. Then down at the bottom, I have all of her Powerade and stuff like that. Yes, I do have a piece of Powerade. I do have a Powerade holding the door open, but basically all of our sauces, things like that. We really don't have too much here, but I absolutely love how it turned out. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I hope you guys found this video to be motivating, and I will also have everything linked down below that I use to organize this fridge. I know you guys have been asking for it for a while. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys right back here with another video. Bye.